Now this is my fried pork belly. Good afternoon everyone. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you on how to cook my fried pork belly. So I have here, I have pork belly. So in this, I'm gonna boil this with water. So I have here, you have to boil, or I'll boil my pork belly. Then first I'll put my cinnamon stick, and I have 2 bay leaves, anise 1.5, and cloves. Cloves I put 4, and cardonom 4. On this, I'll put two lemons, small lemons. I'll put 2 of this in it, and a 1 teaspoon of salt. Then I'll put my pork belly in. So I'll let this boil for 30 minutes or until my meat gets tender. So when frying, it doesn't take time because the meat itself is already cooked. So let's just boil for 30 minutes. So our pork is ready. It has been boiling for 30 minutes. Actually, it's 35 minutes. So now let's just remove this from the water. See? So now we have to cut into, not so small, a little. We have to cut in this thin and size, so we could easily fry it. Now, this is my pork belly, boiled pork belly. Now it's ready for fry. Let's just sit aside this like for 5 minutes until it cools down little bit. And for the meantime, let's just cut our sauce. This is just a very simple sauce. Just a vinegar, a mix of vinegar and soy sauce. So I want red chili, green chili. I have 2 green chili. I have 1 tomato from my garden, and I have half of lemon. So all together, I have to put it in a bowl. You have to put a vinegar. Vinegar, guys, it's up to you how many tablespoons you want. For me, I put 3 tablespoons of vinegar, and 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce. On the top of this, I need to put like just little salt, like less than 1/4 teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Okay, then we have to set aside this. Now we'll make our breading. Okay, for my breading, I have all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and 1 tablespoon of rice flour, just 1 tablespoon, and half teaspoon of cornstarch. No, half tablespoon of cornstarch. Okay. Then I'll put some. This is onion powder. Just 1 teaspoon of onion powder. And then 1 teaspoon of the garlic powder. And then if you have a dried dried mixed leaves, that also you can put in. But for me, I will not put. And half 3/4 spoon of salt. You just have to mix this all together. It should be well mixed. And now we're gonna dip our pork in the mixture. Actually, you can also you can just also put this in beaten egg. But this one I'm not using egg, just directly to the flour mixture. So I'm just doing it like this. Now let's cook. See? So now let's cook. Then we put oil until it gets hot. It doesn't take time now, guys, to cook the pork because we already boiled it. So now we just have to cook it. Fry. Now we can put it inside. We have to put 2 pieces at a time because I have only small what do you call this, deep fry. I have deep fryer. I have only small, so I just put 2 pieces is enough only to be inside. And I'll cover it because my god, the fats and oil will splatter everywhere in the kitchen. Then again, another cleaning and another work for me. Now let's check. Oh my god. See, it's done. Just a matter of 2 minutes. This is only 2 minutes, guys. So now we have to put 2 more in. And we have to check again in 2 minutes. So see guys, this is how it looked like. See how crispy it is? Just so hot. But see if you can see. See, it's now again we check. Still need more cooking because I put the gas in a low flame. Okay, this one also is cooked. Wow, very nice. Now this is my fried pork belly. See, as you can see, this is so crunchy, just so hot. It looks, by looking at it, you will know, you will understand how crunchy it is. Now our fried pork belly is ready.